And we're back. First ride of the year.
Hello.
Hello.
If you stumbled across us and are new to the channel,
anyway.
we talk about and feature segments geared to the older rider. Folks in their 40s and 50s or older who have gotten into biking to get into shape, stay in shape, or just relive their mother-scratching youth. We keep it honest here, from trying to get over things that seem easy to everyone else,
This is the way, right?
or just getting up a hill without having a heart attack. Today was the first trail ride of the year. I know, it seems a little late. I actually shot this footage about a month ago, but with the quarantine, other projects, and a million other excuses, I hadn't ridden any yet. The truth is, I felt like I was woefully out of shape and was stalling. I wanted to get some conditioning on the road before I started to tackle some of the climbs in the river valley near me.
I figured it would.
Every year I make a pact that I'm going to keep training through the winter so I don't lose any fitness that I may have built up the prior season. And every year I fail.
I was breathing heavy, put my helmet on.
Get in my belly!
But the weather was perfect, my buddy Rich was back, and he wanted to get out of the house for a little while. Maintaining proper social distancing, which wasn't a problem, we kept the recommended 600 feet of separation. The trails were actually in near perfect condition, and spring is finally starting to produce some foliage on the trees. There were a lot of folks out.
Yes, it does.
Can't really blame them. The state parks are one of the few places around here that are surprisingly still open.
Almost.
This is a familiar trail. It's close to home, relatively tame, and we ride it often. I think it's called Barley and Hops. No idea why.
And there's a big log around here too that I've seen people try to session unless they removed it. This might be it. Yeah. I think this is it. Yeah.
But I have found that there are a few challenges on this trail that we habitually avoid. Some aren't really dangerous per se, like a rocky or rooty punch-up that catches me off guard and stops me in my tracks. Others have potential of causing some aggravation if something were to go wrong, like a decent-sized log over or a small tabletop jump.
This is the way, right?
But one of my goals this season was to work on progression. So I'm going to keep this video short, because what's happened in the month since is we've gone back and spent time just working on some of these obstacles. And that's going to be in the next video.
Oh, here it is. That was it.
Are trail obstacles something you shy away from? Me too. Worried about injury? Me too. Just plain old chicken?
Hello.
Me too. If so, come along for the ride. Maybe we'll give you some inspiration or maybe something to laugh at. Either way, win-win. Hit that subscribe button to find out. Until then, stay young and ride safe.